Jasmy truly acquired around 4.08% inside the in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. The EMA 50 generally is as of now at $0.007 in a significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin especially is floating at $87,003,429 in an in every practical sense, large way. Jasmy fundamentally has its extremely next obstruction at $0.006 in an exceptionally enormous manner. 04 November 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time, sort of sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is extremely momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin is Jasmy in every practical sense, wise speculation, which by and large is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so forth, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us by and large discussion about the truly current economic situations, which all things considered, is very critical. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there essentially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,295,563,241,888, or so they generally thought. The truly complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $32,247,487,270, or so they fundamentally thought. Bitcoin shares 52.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, or so they truly thought. Which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $34,719.80 level after a decay of 0.25%, which especially is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 1.42%, coming to $1,833.55 during the past 24 hours in a really significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $235.21, following a value change of 2.51% inside a similar time period, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere around 0.19 and right now exchanging at 61 cents, for the most part. Further appearance, how the extremely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $32,247,487,270, which basically is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how 04 November 2023. In this video, we will sort of walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly generally clarified some things, facts, what in every way that really matters. Is somewhat transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, especially as Jasmy a by and large wise interest in a very enormous manner. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a truly descending heading for exceptionally present moment, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $235.21. Following a value change of 2.51% inside a similar time period, which especially is very huge. Right now, a really broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin sort of is floating at $87,003,429 in a sort of huge manner. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized markers used to distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how 04 November 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these much of the time especially clarified pressing issues, facts, what generally is genuinely transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, truly is Jasmy a very wise interest in a by and large enormous manner. Support really is a level at which purchasers explicitly become essentially more lovely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which fundamentally is very critical. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which vendors basically become move truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so the EMA 50 generally is as of now at $0.007 incredibly. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin execution. The really current Jasmy coin cost by and large is $0.007 with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the kind of beyond 24 hours in an especially significant manner. At present, Jasmy especially is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, showing how the EMA 50, for the most part, is as of now at $0.007, which generally is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost examination for 04 November 2023, inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span, sort of made sense of underneath, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how 04 November 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Jasmy coin cost investigation for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified some things, facts, what explicitly is truly momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin. For the most part, is Jasmy a truly wise venture, which truly is very huge. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal union into similarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and dramatic moving in every practical sense. Normal, EMA, to for the most part, dissect the future development of the Jasmy coin, by and large further appearance, how market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,295,563,241,888, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. The MACD line most certainly is remaining beneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, extremely further appearance how following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin execution. The ongoing Jasmy coin cost truly is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the especially beyond 24 hours incredibly. Jasmy coin financial backers need to, in every way that really matters, sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day graph, showing how yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, truly let us in a real sense discuss the extremely current economic situations, which especially is genuinely huge. The kind of relative strength file, RSI, for Jasmy coin explicitly is at present floating at 19 for 14 days essentially normal line, which truly implies Jasmy truly is in oversold